Hey guys, and welcome to Designrr review. This is a web-based app for creating quick ebooks from websites, from URLs. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, I haven't got any projects yet here. You have the help section here and creating project section over here. And you have content over here that's some ready-made content for you on the product itself in different niches. So you have fitness, marketing, social media, and so on. Okay, let's go back to projects. Let's create one right now. The first thing that it asks is the web page URL. I'm going to go here into the men's health web page, and there's an article here about how to get bigger biceps fast. I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. Click next. And now you choose a template from these templates. I wish there were more templates here because these are basically just geolocations. Not something that I can use in my guns in 60 seconds or bigger biceps in 60 seconds ebook. I'm going to use this one and probably change the background image later. Okay, what is this? Just right here the okay, let's create that one. Okay, so this is the builder dashboard, and you have, as you can see, created the ebook already. You can immediately preview it like this. This could be centered, of course, but it's not. You can publish it to PDF or save it so you can access it to your dashboard. You have elements here: new article, cover, a page, header, footer page, call to action. You have to edit styles, please select an element from the right. So if you select something over here, you can change the background, shadow, padding, margin, text style, border roundness, and so on. You have themes over here to change basically the background and the background color and the text color and font. So you can go over these, and the links color too. Under settings, you have basically, you can turn the autosave feature on and off, hover box, select box, and so on, show when and high handles, and so on. You can enable free element dragging, yes or no. And under help section, you have video tutorials, and you have a playlist over here. One thing to
Designrr helps you create.
One thing to keep in mind is that if you play the video tutorials like this,
lead magnets and
ebooks
direct from,
and you close the, you just press X, it will continue playing. So you have to press play and then and then close the tutorial, because it will keep playing in the background. You can hear the audio. So that's just one little glitch here. Okay, so let's go into the elements here. You can of course pick every element, and you know, just basically this is the container. So you can I don't know, go to background over here, for example, go to colors, select something like this, maybe some opacity. So you can pick the colors over here and change that. That's the background. This is the text, so you can edit that. You can change the font, of course, and text style. Under text style, you can change the color over here and choose that. So and so on. If you want to change the something on the entire page, then you go over here, select the entire page, and then you can go, for example, to background, and then to images, or color, image, or gradient. This is what's available for you to pick the color. You have some pre-made, like you know, templates here, and you can select whether it's aligned to, you know, top, center, or so on. I'm going to go to Media Manager. I think I have some image related to this topic for bigger biceps. I believe you can shrink the image in the background and so on, but let's just leave it at this for now. This is the footer. So let's say I write something like my English name over here. and this will, you know, stretch to through the entire page, the entire ebook. Yeah. If you want to change the color, I actually had to go to tutorials to figure out how to do that. Just go here and choose your color like this. Yeah. And this will be, I guess, throughout the entire page. If I change if you change the header or the footer, it will, you know, reflect the entire page. The elements here. Let's go to the elements, and I'm gonna go to the new article element. I'm gonna drag it, I don't know, like here. Let's say here, and I'm gonna go to this bodybuilding.com page. You want bigger biceps? You just have to get them, so it's related to my topic. Well, paste it here and click OK and see what happens. Okay, so now it added, as you can see, this content without any, you know, links or advertisements. It added it to my ebook. I do have to do some editing over here, like, I know, probably remove this and drag this a little bit higher here and so on, or I don't have to, but that's pretty much it. You know, this is for creating quick ebooks that you can, you know, use as lead magnets. It says on the sales page this is for creating lead magnets. These lead magnets are in form of ebooks, and what I just did with the new article element, I think in the front end version you can do this 3 times, and the upgrade is unlimited articles, so you can create, you know, bigger ebooks. You can add more links that from various web pages to your ebooks, and it will create your ebook for them. Of course, that you can, you know, edit each of these elements over here, the text and so on. You can figure this out yourself. It's nothing too complicated, just your, you know, editing features. What you can do is add a call to action element that will look like this, and then of course you can edit the text over here, and the link over here you can just click here and edit it. It can be a web page URL page that is on this very ebook. It could be a download, so it could be like a link to your Dropbox, and it could be an email address. What you also have in under elements is the image grid, and media object. If you drag in the image, it can, you know, look like this, and you can change the color over here, like this. I'm not sure why both of them are changing. That's weird. I am having some issues with this. I'm just showing you to it like you know, like it is. I'm not making stuff up. You can just go to attributes and then click media manager, then I guess just choose an image, and this is cool. If you go to media, you have my images over here, you know, that you have added. You have the search here, and you can just type in and click search, and it searches. I'm not sure from where. It is said in the tutorials, but it does search images for you. The cover images, and the cover images is part of the OTO, I guess, and the image URL is if you want to have image somewhere hosted, and you can of course upload your own images right here. You can just drag and drop them here. Okay, having issues with this one, the image grid, so we put this here. The background is okay. Background I can just change the way I want. It's the images themselves that give me issues. I go to media manager, and I don't know, let's say I select this one, use that image. Whoa, what happened? And then as you can see, we can see it's too big, and I don't have actually an idea of how to resize it. Okay, I can go to the next image and go to media, and let's go and pick this one. So it will add one, you know, above the other like this, and I can't say how to shrink this. I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, so that's one issue, and you know, lots of stuff happens when I try to do that. I can try and resize it again, just move, I guess, somewhere. really weird. I guess this could use some more work. And this media object is basically an image here and text here if you want to insert that. Under typography you can have a label, link, paragraph, marked text, definition list, black quote, unordered lists, and heading table, and so on. So it's cool. It has different features over here. Under components is new article, cover page, header, page footer, call to action. Under layout is container, row, well, divider, and divider container. When you're done, you can preview it and publish it. When you publish it, it will generate a PDF that you will be able to see right away. And there we go. This is the it created the PDF. Of course, I have done various I haven't completely of course edited this to my liking, so it has various images, lots of stuff happened. That's some glitch. I'm gonna report it to the creators to see what's up with that grid image element. And my overall opinion on this software is that it's a very cool way to create quick ebooks that you can use as lead magnets, or just send them to your list, to keep your good ratings up with your lists. What I don't like is that the unlimited article that you can add to create longer ebooks is part of the OTO1. The front end, I think, allows you only three links to use on your pages. And of course, in summary, you have to know where to find the content. You have to know where to find good content to create an ebook from it. And perhaps it's a good thing to create shorter ebooks, considering the attention span these days. So that's it for this review. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.